Yes, people, I am Jacob, aka PengVeganMunch.
And I'm Giuseppe, aka Sep Seats, and we are two of the Plant Boys.
We are making some plantain nachos today using the Vortex Plus Clear Cook air fryer. So we're going to be air frying the plantain first to get it nice and crispy, and then we're going to add all the extra toppings on top of that and grill it. And we're going to do that all in one machine.
Yep, so we've got guacamole, we've got black beans, we've got some vegan cheese, and it's going to be delicious. So let's get stuck in.
Let's do it. So to start with, you want to chop off the ends of your plantain, give it a slice down the middle, and then peel the skin off.
We're just literally going to chop them quite thinly as if you're chopping a carrot or a banana. And a lot of people think it's the same as a banana, but it's definitely not. If you can't get your hands on a plantain, then you can always sub this recipe for just regular potatoes or sweet potatoes. So now our plantain is all chopped up, we're going to pop them in a bowl and season with a little bit of salt and a bit of Sprite oil, and then we're going to whack them in the air fryer.
Then we're going to air fry them for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees. So while the plantain's cooking, we're going to prepare the toppings that are going to be lovingly placed on top. We're going to dice some bell pepper and mix it with some black beans.
And we've also got some homemade guac, but you can also buy some from the store yourself, as well as some vegan Greek-style yogurt and coriander.
So when the plantain's got about 5 minutes left, we are going to add the diced pepper and black beans and let that cook for a little bit. Then we're going to switch the air fryer functioning off, switch the grill function on, add the guacamole, vegan cheese, cilantro or coriander if you're from the UK, and then we're going to grill it for a little bit to get it all nice and melty. So you could top your plantain nachos with whatever you wanted. We have gone for peppers and beans, but you could add some vegan mince or other types of beans on there, and it'd be just as lovely. So we're just going to check how the plantain chips are doing.
They're getting a nice little bit of brown crisp, so we're going to give them a little shake and put them back in.
So the plantain has got about 5 minutes left now, so we're going to chuck on our red pepper
and the black beans, and we're going to put them back in for another 5 minutes on the air fry function.
Alright, so now the plantain and the toppings are done. We're going to take it out.
They look so good. Now, we are going to use this little pot thing, which is also by Instant Brands, just to make it look a bit more pretty, but you can just keep everything in the same if you wanted to. So now we've got it in a little pot, we're going to add some vegan cheese, like so. And don't be shy with the vegan cheese because it's going to get all inside those nooks and crannies.
Make sure that you find a vegan cheese that melts. We would recommend using Applewood because unlike a lot of other vegan cheeses, it does actually melt.
And it's got a lovely smoky flavour. So now we're going to add this back in for 5 more minutes using the grill function. Oh my days, that has melted so quickly. Look at that.
Whoa.
Jeez.
So for safety, don't go in with your hands. You have to use some mini mitts.
Mini mitts, which are also Instant Pot. Wow, that looks incredible. And just before we eat them, we're going to top them with a few more ingredients. So we've got the homemade guac, then we've got the vegan Greek yogurt, like so. And
finally, a sprinkling of coriander.
And then there's only one thing left to do, which is
scran.
Dig in. Oh, just look at that cheese. That cheese looks absolutely incredible.
A big bit with some cheese, some avocado on there, a little bit of the yogurt.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is so good.
Spot on.
This is one you have to make. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you can find the full recipe in the description, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Bye.